Meaning of floor.
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 Floor. The term floor refers to the flat surface that forms the bottom of a room or a building. It is the part of the structure that provides a stable and level base for people to walk or stand on. The floor can be made of various materials, such as wood, concrete, or tile. A properly constructed and maintained floor is essential for safety, comfort, and aesthetics in any building. In addition to its practical function, the floor can also contribute to the overall style and atmosphere of a space through its design and finishes.